super fast video. This is the Hero 4.0 stringing kit, and I'll show it to you in just a second, but there you go. There's the box. Nothing crazy, made in the USA. Go ahead and open this up. There's not a whole lot to it. You get the net, which if you have never dealt with the ECD lacrosse gear, the nets are phenomenal. These are wonderful. This is the standard. This is what professionals are looking for. And then the strings, you have the thin strings, and I guess I could count them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I must have counted that wrong. 10. So you have 5 of the short strings, not short, thin, and 5 of the thick fuzzy strings, and then you get 2 of these long thinner strings. See, I don't know if you can see, these are tough and wiry. This is soft and bendable, right? So that each string has a different reason. And then you get 1 head screw, and then this little rubber thing.